thought-out asteroid spun into a habitat cylinder, artificial gravity, a spindle-mounted light system standing in for the sun, and a lone tester walking a valley that loops back on itself. There's someone sent to verify the habitat is livable, only to discover the strangeness of a closed world that folds back on itself when you walk far enough. I came here to test the viability of the habitat. Now I'm not sure what I'm testing anymore. Until we cut it open. The asteroid took 4 years to hollow out tunnels, bored through rock, but never saw sunlight. Now the inside is a cylinder 40 acres wide, spinning fast enough to convince my inner ear that down is down. Crops are in the fields, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen sealed in tanks thick as silos, mixed to Earth normal measures correctly. Everything checks out. From the middle of the valley, it looks like any valley, 2 long hills rising on either side, a strip of green between them, sky that isn't sky, glowing along the spindle overhead. Mars never had this. Mars had gravity, too weak to keep your bones honest, storms that swallowed the horizon for weeks, and radiation that came through the regolith like it had somewhere to be. Down here, under 100 meters of nickel iron, none of that reaches us. I walked the valley floor yesterday, start to end 40 acres, maybe 3 miles. If you cut straight through the wheat, I walked for what felt like longer than 3 miles. I ended up back where I started. Inside an asteroid, at the side of a cylinder spinning enough to create a force simulating gravity. Inside an asteroid, the side of a cylinder spinning enough to create a force of gravity. Surface is too exposed to radiation and debris and meteor. On Mars, the gravity is not strong enough, and there is weather, dust storms, radiation, Mars quakes, etc. The tunnels through the asteroid, hollowing out the asteroid to build systems, areas, construction, 3D printing, habitat construction with spinning for artificial gravity, seed bank. It looks like a valley with 2 hills, the tunnels through the asteroid, the light system for artificial sunlight is on the spindle of the cylinder.